Hello, dear aspirants. Welcome you all to the Master Nursing classes. So, as all of you know, that we have left only few days for our upcoming CRE exams and ESSC Nursing Officer exams and SSM exams. Students, as aspirants, you people having the many doubts in your mind that asking repeatedly for the how to control the negative marks and what is the perfect strategy for the upcoming CRE and SNO exams. So, strategy will be different for the each exams because this exam pattern is different. So we have to go with a different approach. So I have collected all your questions from the YouTube comment box and from the WhatsApp what people have asked individually. So there are many are the common questions. The questions are related to the time management, negative control, what to revise, and how to get the good performance. Okay, so I am going to discuss these very important 7 points here that is related to the time management and how many questions to be attempted, then what is calculative risk, then what is each section strategy, then quick revision strategy, then negative control strategy, and how to train your mind for the consistent 90-minute performance, then how to manage the fear and anxiety of during the exam time. So these are the many important points that is every aspirant should know. Okay, so we will start the today's video without wasting the time. The first point I am talking is most important point, that is now related to the quick revision. So what is quick revision, bacho? So don't stuck in one subject. Quickly revise the things what you have already read. So you are only covering the entire MSN and not touching any fundamental of nursing, OBG nursing, pediatric nursing, psychiatric nursing, pharmacology. So that is not going to be improve your marks. So what I am telling is, in each and every subject there is important points and topics. So that one you quickly revise first. You try to cover all the subject first. Okay. So don't stuck in one subject. Don't stuck in one particular concept or topic, and don't leave the another important topic. Consider you are covering all the content from the medical surgical nursing, and you have not touched the fundamental of nursing, and there are the 4 to 5 questions which comes from the one topic of the fundamental of nursing, like blood transfusion or the CPR, like. So if people have not read means you will be out of the selection box. So what I am telling is, first cover all the important topic because we have left only few days for the CRE exams. Then after that again you people have to read in details. Okay, so now no need for in detail, and don't waste your time. Just revise the important topics, important things that is necessary for the exams. So second point is how to control the negative marks. Very very important point. It is important to make the answers correct, and equally important to reduce the negative marks. As all of you are giving the exams in the master nursing classes applications on the same theory pattern, and you people know how many are the negative marks you people are doing. So you are doing the more than 11 or 12 negative marks means these are the important points you have to keep in your mind and apply during the exam practice, in the test series practice, so it will improve your marks. What is the first point? For each and every questions you people have to apply the rationale that you are already known. Okay, and don't blindly guess the answers. Don't guess the answers. Try to apply the rationale. The second point is apply method of elimination. Most important. Okay, sometimes you people know the answer because of the option confusion, so you will be stuck there in particular question. At that point of the time, there is a ramabhana that is called as the method of elimination. So compare the question body with the options and focus what the examiner is trying to ask in the questions. So many time I have told you, no one wants what you know. The examiner want what he asked to you. You have to act according to the question. Don't go with a prefixed mind. If this question comes, means this is the only answer. No, you have to act according to the question. Okay, you have to focus over the question what he exactly want to ask to you, right? So most important, and for each and every question, you have to notice the keywords before, after, least important, most important, least priority, most priority, not included, expected, except. So these kind of the important word which are diverting your answer to the next question, which are diverting your answer to the correct options. Bacho, it is very important to act according to question, and it is very important to approach the question with a free mind. Don't go with a prefixed mind that this question will be asking, this is the answer. No, you have to read the question correctly, completely, and focus over the word not included, not included, first to, least to, first priority, last priority, important to, okay, not important to. Like this, words will change your answer. Right? So this is you people have to keep in your mind. First one is the apply the rationale. Second one is the use method of elimination. Third one is the yes focus over the key points. So these things reduces your negative marks. Believe me, this is the thing what I have applied during my preparation. I have cracked the more than 10 central government exams with the top ranks, right? So this is on my personal experience I am telling to you people. Okay, so don't blindly guess the answer for each and every question. So this is the negative control strategy from my side. So the next point of discussion is calculative risk. You people are giving the exam in the master nursing classes app, and you people are getting the more than 280 and above marks, means you people will be in the selection zone. If you are getting the marks between the 250 to 280, you are in the safe zone, but you people have still need to work hard, because you have to confirm and you have to come to the this particular selection zone, that is the 250 and above. And those students who are getting the marks between the 200 to 250, these students are about to select, and they are in borderline. If they better perform during this last 10 days, they will be in the selection list. If they won't perform, they will be out of the selection list. Students, remember, last 10 days are the most important days which decides your rank. Only getting selection in the exam is not going to matter. So the matter is for the better rank. You are getting the better rank, means you will be getting the placement where you want actually. And your rank will be in the lower side, means they will give the position or the posting where they want. So anyhow you are struggling and anyhow you are working, work little bit more, work little bit hard, and be in the selection zone. Okay, so it is very important not to lose the hope, work hard. So you are scoring more than 200 marks, means you are about to select. I am telling you. Okay, so don't be in a fear whether I will get select or not. Yes, you only will be selecting because you are practicing the real scenario, real situation in the MNC app. Okay, so your almost fear, anxiety will be reduced here, because you people are repeatedly exposing to the particular things which is going to expose in the main exams, right? So your main exam also similar, same like this. You will open the app, you will attempt the question, it will give the result. Okay, so how much the correct answer you people are doing here, that is only you people going to do in the main exams. And one more important thing, so this is the test series. Here I will like choose the any options. In main exams I will do the correct answers. No, whatever you are doing here, similarly your mind work in the main exams. So the proper strategy practice in the test series, and it will be easily applied in the main exams. Okay, so this is the clear from the my side. Okay, so calculate risk, I am telling, be in the, yes, selection zone, that is a 280 and above marks. Okay, perform much better, work much hard, so that will be helpful for you all. Okay, so the next point of discussion is each section strategy. Sir, in the CRE exams, we are having the 1 to 5 sections. Each section is containing the 20 questions and for the 18 minutes. Here, the time management also going to be more important. But in the first section, how you performs based on that second section will be decided. And in first two section, how you will perform based on that, the third section will be decided. So this is what we call the calculative risk. Consider you will be in the exam, and in the first section, you know the exact answer for the 18 questions out of the 20 questions. It means in the second section, you don't have to take the much risk. You have to do those very important questions that is known to you perfectly. Out of the 20, only 16 will be correctly known to you. You just attempt those questions and leave about 4 questions, which is in the confusion. And in section A, you know only 12 to 13 questions correctly, and you have taken the risk for the 4 question means in the second section also you people have to do the same. Okay, don't leave many questions. Just you have to, in each and every section you people should and must attempt the more than 15 questions. Okay, 16, 15, 17, 16, 15, 17, and 3 to 4 questions will be that much hard that only few students can attempt. If you know that one, you can attempt. Okay, so don't leave the question which is known to you. Okay, and don't suddenly be happy after watching the question that is known to you, because these are the silly mistakes the students can do here. The examiner is not that much easy. He will make a small twist in the exams, small twist in the questions that is going to decide your rank. Okay, so just read the question properly, perfectly. Okay, then after that, you attempt the question and don't make mistake in the questions which is known to you. Right? It is very, very important. And how many questions to be attempted? So this is the question many people have asked. Students, at least out of the 100 questions, at least you people have to attempt more than 75 questions. Okay. So among those, you can take the risk of the 4 to 5 questions, which is in the confusion between the two options. Okay. So don't take much risk and don't attempt the 95, 100 questions. Okay. If you know perfectly, you can attempt, no problem. Okay, if you don't know, try to leave the question. And if you are confused between two options, take risk for the 4 to 5 questions. And you have attempted very less questions like 60, 65. And that time you, people can take risk for the, yes, till 10 questions for the two option confusion. Right? So remember, in main exams, if section A is closed means it will won't open again. So whatever you want to do in the that particular 18 minutes only. Okay. So I will finish the till E section, then I will come back and I will see. No, it is not going to happen in the actual exam because one section only active at the one time. All you people have to know this one. Okay. So that is the very, very important. So in the 18 minutes only how to decide that 16 to 18 questions are perfectly known to you means don't take the risk. Okay, so in second section also, so that if the 16 to 17 question or the 18 question known to you, then same C section also don't take the risk. Okay, only less questions are known to you means you can take the risk for the 4 to 5 questions I have told you all. Okay, so this is the very, very important. Then the next uh, point of the discussion is the time management. So how to manage the time? So here the examiner thrown the challenge that we have to attempt the 20 question in the 18 minutes. Then after that the section will be get locked. Okay. So how can I manage this one? Students, examiner will give the questions like you people can manage easily in the 18 minutes. Okay. So 2 to 3 are the scenario based and practical based questions. 2 to 3 will be the long stem questions, and 2 to 3 will be the one liner questions, and 2 to 3 will be the medium questions. So like this, he will manage the entire section. So that is, don't you people have to think much, but but initially you people are getting long stem 4 to 5 questions means, so don't get fear for that one. Okay, so fatafat you watch the questions, then you come back, so it will give the clear idea to you, so how much time you have to take, quickly take the actions what you want to do, then go forward. Okay, so don't waste time in the first 10 questions. Okay, for first 10 questions you are taking the 15 minutes, 15 minutes. Okay, so after that, in next 3 minutes you are attempting the next 10 questions. So don't do like that. So try to manage the time. So how you have to manage the time, that is the reason we are giving the balanced paper in the master nursing classes app for the better performance of the students. Here you people will practically know how to manage the time. Okay, so how to face the questions with the time. So that is the actual reason we have introduced the time. Okay, so just to for a few days we have eliminated the time here because of the to save the time of the aspirants. So then after that, last 3 days again I will give with the time, so that your brain will be trained perfectly for the main exams, right? So this is the one more important thing that is related to the time management. Okay, so practice the test as much as possible and set the time. Okay, so keep it your side, and in our master nursing classes app also, one side it will show how much time you are taking for each question, and one corner it will show how much time you have taken for the each section. So for each sections, you people don't exceed more than 20 minutes. Okay. So practice with the time comparison. So that will help you to manage the times in the main exams. Clear, Bachon? So then I have told how many questions to attempt. Then one more thing is the train your brain for the better performance for the 19 minutes. 90 minutes. Okay. For initial 50 questions, your mind will be very active, and after watching the computer for 15, like half of the time, and your mind will like perform slowly. Then it will reduce your rank. So remember, Bacho, just before giving the test series or the exam, you have to sit silently for the 10 minutes. Okay, so that is the reason I used to keep telling go exam center nearly like 45 minutes to 1 hour early. Then sit there, relax there, keep your mind cool, calm, relax. Don't eat any spicy food. Okay, eat the healthy food. Then, if possible, have one chocolate so that you will give glucose to your brain cells. Okay, so keep the mind completely relaxed, cool, calm. Okay, if possible, go to the exam hall as early as possible, sit on your chair and relax for the 10 minutes immediately after announcing. So you start performing your like computer works there in the CBT exams. Okay, so this is also very very important. Relax and train your mind for the better performance for the 90 minutes. Okay, so that is very important for you all. Okay, so then the next point of discussion is the don't fear for the initial few questions. Imagine you are on the table or on the chair in the main exams, and your first section is open. There you face the four questions which is completely unknown to you. Don't fear. Skip the questions which is completely unknown to you. You have to skip the question, then go to the fifth question, sixth question, seventh question, eighth question. Definitely, I will promise you the questions will which will be known to you. Okay. So don't suddenly fear because I have studied that thing in exam or asked this thing. No, what you people are studying the perfectly the standard that is only going to come in your exam, but in applied manner it will come. So analysis will be on your mindset. It will be depends on the question practice, how you will practice the question, how you will analyze the situation, and how you will understand the situation. That is going to matter for the exams, right? So these are the some important points from my side. All you people have to consider before going to the exam. Okay, apply this strategy, that is the calculated risk, and based on the first two sections, keep the second three sections risk. and don't take unnecessary much risk, like attempting all the questions and attempting the 90 plus 95 plus questions. Don't do like this, which is known to you. You just attempt those questions. Remember, accuracy is the thing that is going to decide your rank. Try to maintain the accuracy. That is very, very important for you. Okay. So if any questions still you people are having, so do comment in the comment box. I will try to respond to your questions in the comment box. Okay. So if not possible, I will consider in the next like lecture sections. So I will discuss those points. Okay. So stay connected. Keep practicing the Master Nursing Classes test series. That is going to help for your CRE exams. So we'll meet again in the next video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.